What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for cooling with Jay. And it's finally here. Finally got my slip-on exhaust installed on my bike, and this is the very first ride on my 2021 Ducati V4S Streetfighter Dark Stealth colorway custom with the Termignoni exhaust finally installed. I'm super excited. If you didn't get a chance, guys, watch the video. I'll pop it up on the screen above. It was the walk around, kind of cinematic walk around of the exhaust and bike put on. But this is my official first ride video, so I'm super excited. Got the baffles pulled out. So for those of you watching for the very first time, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I started off on a Ducati V4 back in 2018 Panigale, and now I've swapped that for the Streetfighter. Basically, I'm a newbie rider, sharing my experience of being a newbie rider, starting off on my dream bike, which is a Ducati Panigale, and now I've upgraded or swapped over to the Streetfighter, which I love so much. So for those of you new, I'll give a quick run around of the bike. It's about I'd say 95% done, to be honest. I don't have much left other than rear sets. Starting from the front, I got the reflector delete. One of the big popular questions I get is, what is this guy? This is the EvoTech radiator guards, of course, in black. The most popular question I get on social media, so if you haven't already, follow me on social media. All the links are down below. I post a lot of pictures and cool videos on my social media Instagram page. Anyway, what is this? These are basically painted ceramic coated, they are ceramic coated satin black. That's basically what that is. EvoTech painted there. I have the DesmoWorld kind of caps on there as well. CNC dash cover, so I don't get those scratches or swirl marks other people are getting. I got the Reservoir notch, clutch and brake reservoirs. I got the Bonamici levers. I have the Moto Gadget scratchless bar and mirrors with the DesmoWorld kind of bracket. I have the DesmoWorld mount, so this is where my GoPro would go, basically right there. So I got the mount for that. Quad lock, as you already know, quad lock. Use promo code Cooling with Jay to save at checkout. I have the AEM gas cap with the red notch there. The Ducati Performance grips. I have the One Design tank protector. I have the Lumimoto. So this is the Lumimoto seat cover with the gel insert. So basically, I ship out the entire seat, the whole seat, to them. They cut out the regular foam here, and then replace it with gel. So that's what that is. Of course, I got my Cooling with Jay handles on it. I got the race seat tail section. Okay. I got the DesmoWorld clear cut cover with the all black kit, all titanium pieces. Of course, the Termi slip-on exhaust, of course, as y'all see. The DesmoWorld oil pan protector. I got the A&M titanium bit and all the nuts. Futuremoto tail tidy with the tug license plate bracket. I have the 520 conversion kit, all titanium pieces there. And then, of course, I have everything, as you can see, ceramic coated, including the kickstand, which a lot of people don't do, is getting the kickstand coated. I think that's about it. Everything on the bike that I've done so far. Oh, I have the Rizoma wave turn signals. If you haven't seen that already, again, for some of you, y'all have seen this already. But for those who haven't, I want to go over the full part list. Again, guys, as I always say, all the parts will be in the description down below. I list all the parts all the time, so you can see every single part I have and where I got it from, minus the painting. So the painting I got through Ducati, okay? So through my dealer at Motocorsa, they take all the parts off, they send it to their third party, they get painted, they bring it back, they install it. I didn't touch it or fool with it. So I always get that question all the time, but that's how it happened. So we just got done. This guy is not straightforward how to do that. It's easy, but it doesn't like give you step-by-step directions. They have to show me how to do it. But anyway, you plug it in, you take the seat cover off, you plug it in, you download the map, you download the update to it, then you go online, you have to buy the map, it comes with the code, you copy and paste that code into it, and then it downloads the map, and then you're set to go. So that's pretty much it. So let's hit here real quick. Sounds much better than stock, I'll tell you that. Alright, now let's go for my first experience ride with my new exhaust put on. The map now, when you turn on the bike, you will see Racing Pro. So it means you have a map installed on the bike. So it's also what you'll see in difference to it. I apologize for not being able to make content. This is actually the first sunny day in the past, oh, that's glass. This is the first sunny day in the past 2 months. Oh yeah, that is nice. Yeah, this is the first sunny day in the past 2 months I've had. So I apologize sincerely for not making more content, but in Oregon we get so much rain. Having an exhaust, man. Alright, I'll be quiet. I'll let y'all hear it. Oh my gosh. Oh man. That is, oh. Woo. All right. Oh yeah, oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Alright guys, first initial ride on the Beauty. Oh yeah, she's a beauty and a beast now. That was fun. As always guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for cooling with Jay. I appreciate all of y'all. I really do. As always, I got a ton of content now coming, guys, for the summer. I do. I promise you, weather's good. I promise to make more content. Promise to be more active now that we have some sunny weather. I got some business trips, but for the most part, a lot more content coming. I promise you. As always, guys, thank you for cooling with Jay. I hope y'all love the new modification as much as I do. It completely keeps the black look of the bike. I love it so much. Yeah, I'm so happy that Termi did the black and not just the titanium silver. So I'm super happy about it. Can't say much more about it. So. Dude, that last, there's so much torque still. It's like you pull, and it's like, no, there's more pull. It's just, it's wild. This bike is wild. She's definitely a beast now with being a beauty, for sure. And I can't say more. I'm super happy with it. Yeah, I think this is the perfect dark stealth street fighter. I think I think this is the best looking Ducati dark stealth on the market or out there on social media. Oh, you want to go? Oh. Don't do it to yourself. Don't do it. I will go. Sorry, I thought someone wanted to play there for a second. I was like, let's play. We can play if you really bought that life. We can play. But anyway, enough of me yapping. Thank you guys for cooling with Jay as always. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video.